Okay, here we go. Coming soon. If you are ready to become a serious craft nerd party hero, like me, these tutorials are made just for you. I think you know who you are. What I have coming up is the next generation of crochet beer can party hats. These are not your grandma's beer can hats. Perhaps you remember those old crocheted bud hats in red, white, and blue from way back when. I first saw them in a 70s crochet book, as I have many. I just love the funky 70s crafts. So as an art student in college and a serious crochet addict, I started making beer can hats for my friends at parties. I would take a 6-pack of beer along with my crochet stuff, and once the cans were empty, I'd create a killer party hat for the host, thus becoming the party hero of the night, obviously. Many an art student or drunk guy would follow me around wondering how in the world I planned to make beer into clothing. Magic, my friends, that's how. Now you can fascinate your friends with the highest level of craft nerd magic, baby, thanks to my new kick-ass tutorials. My written tutorial, Beer Can Hat, Parts 1 through 3, continues to be the most popular post on my blog by far, even though it's a little old and schwacky at this point. I've taught in-person classes, and some of my patterns have actually been published, that's right, in the world-famous Beer Crafts book. So now you see, I know my shit. Infamous in some circles for my beer crafting skills. I'm not joking. I've decided that now is the time to build my beer can party hat empire with new tutorials you will definitely not find anywhere else. I feel the next generation of cool crochet nerds is finally ready. I am really excited about these new hat designs, like too excited probably. They are bigger, funner, with simple construction and lots of options. And of course, I'll give you serious tips for real-life party crochet situations. Stay tuned!